welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Miriam at Miriam's Fussy Hair Care. In case it's your first time here, thank you very much for dropping by. I hope you become part of the family by hitting the subscription button and also turning on your notification bell so that you are notified each and every time I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back to watch another video. I am humbled. Thank you for the support that you give me. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into today's video. Today's video, like you can tell from the title, the thumbnail, and how I'm looking today, we are going to be doing some head wraps. It's been quite some time since I uploaded a video on how I do my head wrap. So this is more like an updated video on how I tie my head wraps. And those that follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook, you saw cute pictures uploaded and short videos of my head wraps that I was rocking last week, and a lot of you asked for a tutorial, and this is a tutorial on how I do my head wraps. I hope you do enjoy this video, and if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get straight into today's video. to the end of this video. In case you watched up to this far, thank you very much. And I will have to end the video right here. Thank you for watching. Please, if you're not yet subscribed, make sure that you do subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Share this video, comment, and also like. I will see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed.